Hi, welcome to American Hat Makers. I'm Yanni, and if you haven't guessed by the green I'm wearing, today we're going to be doing a DIY hat band to make your hat festive for St. Patrick's Day. The first thing you're going to need is some ribbon of your choice. Next, you'll need some accessories of your choice. I just went down to one of our local craft shops and I picked up these cute little felt stuffed shamrocks and a little hat. I found these shamrocks and of course these ones. I also found this really cute cardstock that I wanted to cut out and make a buckle maybe on one of the bands. There's some glitter and then I really went with a really glittery one. I also nabbed this bow for possibly a back of the hat accessory. And as I was headed out, I found these Happy St. Patrick's Day necklaces and this garland that, who knows, we'll see. I just had an idea that maybe that itself could just make a cute little fun band. And lastly, a hot glue gun. So for the first one, I just took a square of the cardstock, cut it out, made 2 slits, threw the ribbon through. Here's the back, just a tie. And there's your little belt buckle. You can also add one of these shamrocks into the side for a little bit extra. So next I took the same band that I did, I added some confetti, some shamrock confetti to it, and just hot glue gunted it on the side, just to kind of make a little embellishment along the sides of the band. This one is really fun, really easy. I just grabbed some of these, and if your hat already has a band here, I just put a couple in. For this hat band, I just grabbed a burlap plaid, and there is wire in it, so you can manipulate it however you want, and just added one of those. Super simple, on point with the color for St. Patrick's Day, that's green. So this one's using that felt garland that I found, it's the felt ball. Alrighty, here's another one I just did. Got the bling in the front there, so I matched it in the back with a bow. As you can see, there's endless possibilities of what you can do to create your own DIY hat band for any festive holiday. This one just happens to be St. Patrick's Day. Stay tuned, we'll be doing more of these, and I hope we have inspired you. And don't forget to tag us in any of your own DIY creations that you've made.